Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video, to bring you some exciting developments that we've developed here at ERD to help with the Freightliner Cascadia CPC4 repairs. We have answered a lot of your questions. We've met with a lot of truckers who've brought their units in and discussed what's going on. So, with that in mind, we have created an online forum which allows you to interface with me and our staff to help figure out the problems you're having with your Cascadia truck. See below to be able to sign up and ask your questions. We will answer them both in video form and written form to help you guys get trucking faster. In addition, please look at the link below to go to ERD Powertrain, which is now currently manufacturing our safety and security cables to prevent theft of your CPC4 after it has been repaired. So see the link below to get your custom version made for you. And additionally, and finally, after 7.5 months of full bore working nonstop, we're at the point where we can offer 3 levels of service and 3 levels of reduced pricing. Below, you will find a link for the current pricing on our 3 levels of service. But our 3 levels of service are as follows. Regular repair, which is 10 to 14 days. Then we have an expedited version, which is 5 days. And then we have the I need it yesterday, 48-hour repair, where you get it within 2 days. All of these prices include shipping. The standard ground and the 2 other ones are overnight delivery. So look below and check out our new pricing. That's it for now, and as always, keep trucking.